Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Radwan Muhammad Rashid. I am from BITS S1 G1. So today I will present to you my OS project Progress1. So in Progress1 I will show you how, designing and configuring a private virtual network using host only adapter. So connecting using static IP address between server and client. The server will be Linux and the host will be Windows. So I will do two parts, the configuration and the connection. So here is my requirements that I need to apply to my Progress1. So the host machine, which is Windows, will have this address, as you see, and also the server, which is Linux, will has this IP address and also these two IP address. So now let's do the configuration. Just first step, go to virtual box and click file, go to network manager, click on it. So there is two ways to do the configuration, automatically or manually. Just select here as you want. So I prefer to do it manually. So click on manually, then make sure you choose here VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter. Then put the IP address here as it is required in the question here. See, make sure it is the same. So it is correct and the same, and also here the network mask also the same. Go to DHCP server, then also type in here the server address and the server mask also, as it is required in the question here. Make sure every address is you type it correct, then apply. After you apply, do the next step, which is I will show you now what is it. I have applied that before. Just close it and go to now setting. Click on setting. Okay, now go to network. Click here, choose adapter 2. Make sure you click on enable network adapter and go to here, choose host only adapter. The name will be VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter. Then click OK. Now we already finished the part 1, which is configuration. Now let's do the connection between server and the host. Just open the machine from here. It will take some time to open. Just we need to wait. Now go to activities. If you want to make the connection automatically, just do it from terminal. If you want to make it manually, just from setting, go to setting. So I will do it by manually. I prefer manually. Go to network and then choose Ethernet enab 0S8. Then go to setting from here and go to IPv4, select on it and type here the address for the, as it is required here, make sure for the server and for also the host. For the server, this is the server IP address, and this is the netmask. And for gateway, we need to type in the host address. After that, just make sure this is manually and apply. Everything will appear here. Just make sure everything is fine before you go to the next step. The addresses is correct as it is required in the question for the server and also for the host. So everything is okay here, and just okay, close. Now we need to make sure that the host and server is successfully connected. We need to go to Windows prompt, command prompt, and type in ipconfig, enter. So Ethernet adapter VirtualBox host only network. So now connection is made successfully, as you see here, and also here is the IP address as we entered. So that means connection between server and also host successfully done. Now go to the next step, which is ping the server to the host. Go to terminal, and before that, if you want to make sure that the addresses is created correctly, you can type here IP address and show. It will appear for you. Just if you want to make sure, let's do it. Here is the IP address. It is correct. So now we need to the server to the host. I ping and the IP. To stop, just Ctrl+C. Now the server ping successfully to the host, as you see here. So now we need to make sure also, just to give you an notes here, if you ping the server to the host and it doesn't work, or just it is nothing appear here, just you need to go to your host firewall network and turn off all these things here, so then it will works with you. Ping the host to the server. Just go to command prompt and type and the IP address. Yes, ping statics for this IP address, but this IP address. So now we ping successfully the host to the server. So that's all about my Progress1. So connection between server and host successfully done, and we ping also the server to the host and host to the server. So everything is work fine, and that's all for my Progress1. See you in my next progress. Thank you.